Okay, guys, it says remember to check each factorization by multiplying the factors. Okay, whoa, always do that. And we've done that. And we've been doing that. After some practice, you'll be able to select the correct factors without writing down all the possibilities. Maybe you can, but I can't. I'm not that good. But some people are. I've seen people do that. Now, this is a very important little thing here. It says when the coefficient of the quadratic term, that is the term that's x squared, is negative, and it is -6, it may be helpful to begin by factoring -1 from each term. Okay? So here's what it's saying. Write it in standard form, -6x squared plus 11x plus 10. And you're going to see that the a term, that is the term that's in front of the x squared, is negative. So I'm actually going to take a -1 out. I'm factoring it out. Okay? And you'll see that what I have is, if I multiplied it, it changes all the signs inside to 6x squared minus 11x minus 10. Okay? Because if I multiplied this back in, I would get this quadratic. Okay? So this is factoring out a -1. Okay? Well, it took out more than I wanted it to. There we go. But now I'm left with a quadratic, right, that I can factor. Okay? Now that I've taken out that negative sign, because remember, we want the a to be positive. Okay, fair enough. Let's see, it's 6. So I'm going to do 6 and 1, 3 and 2. And then I've got -10. So I know it has to be a -1 and 10, which means 10, -1. Or it could be a 1, -10, which means -10 and 1 when I give it to both positions. Or it could be -2, 5, 5, -2. Or 2, -5, -5, 2. Okay? Now, I'm going to start, I'm going to do my combinations, and you can see I'm going to have 16 combinations here. Okay? But I'm going to do what I need to do. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That'll be my first 8. All right? So I'm going to do 6x, 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 1x, 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 1x. Okay? And then in the back, I'm going to have -1, 10, and plus 10 and -1. And then I'm going to have +1, -10, and -10 plus 1. I'm going to have -2 plus 5 and plus 5 minus 2. And I'm going to have -2 plus 5 plus 5 minus 2. Is that right? I think that's right. No, that's not right. My last two here are wrong. Okay, let me put my parentheses back again. +2 minus 5 and -5 plus 2. There we go. Okay, now I'm just going to try these first. Okay, so that gives me, that gives me 60 and -1. I know that's not right. Outsides give me -6 and 10, and that's going to give me 4. That's not right. Okay, I'm looking for -11. Okay, I'm going to get, my outsides give me -60, and my inside gives us 1, so I know that's not right. Okay, the outsides give us 6, and the insides give us -10. That's -4. That's not right. Outsides give us 30, insides give us -2. That's 28. That's not right. Okay, the outsides give us -12, the insides give us 5, and that's going to give me -7, right? And that's not right. Outsides give us -30, insides give us 2, and that's going to give us -28. That's not right. Outsides give us 12, insides give us -5, and that's 7. That's not right. Okay, and I'll do the rest in just a second.